SCHNEEBERGER is an original equipment manufacturer for machine builders in the field of linear technology. We have a broad product range including profile rail guides, measuring systems, ball screws, gear racks and linear tables. In 2021, as part of our corporate vision, we decided that we wanted to develop a digital strategy focused on our customers' experience, where our customers would be able to order our products, such as linear guideways online in the e-shop. In the initial phase, numerous discussions were held with various software providers, and ultimately Oro Commerce was chosen due to the range of possibilities the solution provided. Then we entered the implementation phase, where we aligned with a key implementation partner. We went through several brainstorming sessions, step by step, week by week, in regular meetings and consultations. What do we do? How do we implement it? How do we design user experience? How do we get the data into the e-shop? All of this was then brought together so that in the end, after 9 months, that our first functional e-shop was ready. What we particularly appreciate about Oro here is that there are so many out-of-the-box features. If you think about it, if you had to build every feature that is available in our e-shop individually, you would never have been able to realize an implementation time of 9 months. Oro's solution has given us the opportunity to map our entire product range in an e-shop in such a way that our customers can now configure the products they want in the way they need them.